Let's eat, guys. Ito po ang aming dinner. Thai chicken. Chicken with the Thai sauce. What is that? With the coconut milk?
Yep.
With coconut milk, guys. I'm sure it's a bit spicy again. Tara, kain tayo. With basmati rice. And a red wine. Tara, kain kita. Kain. Kain na tayo. Ayan, chicken with a Thai sauce. Cooked in coconut milk with long beans, carrots, and aubergine. Tara po. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Ayan po, ang chicken. It's a green curry, guys. Thai green curry. Tara po.